15%. That's the deficit body weight just to maternal dehydration alone. And in this case, losing weight isn't a good thing. It leads to complications during birth and long-term brain development issues. But right now, 75% of Americans, including millions of new moms, are just being told to drink more water while juggling exhaustion, stress, and recovery. It's outdated advice, and they've told us it's not been working. And that's why we built HydraSmart, the first hydration system that adapts to you. Our smart puck fits on 96% of commercially sold water bottles, requires zero setup after pairing, and quietly works in the background, providing context-aware hydration insights and reminders that you'll actually follow. And we're starting with pregnancy and postpartum, where hydration is critical from birth outcomes to long-term development. And we're starting with moms, because we believe if we can solve the problem for them, we can do it for anyone. This is HydraSmart. I'm Nikhil Mahesh.
Hi, I'm Jack Boyd.
Hi, I'm Thomas Taylor.
Hi, my name is David Krishnakumar.
There are many different kinds of bad stresses that can negatively impact pregnancy. Dehydration is something that we think, if we can kind of fix that, what we call preterm uterine contractions will just go away. And that clinically seems to work. I mean, dehydration is kind of a source of misery for most pregnant women because you're like always dehydrated. And especially if you get sick, then you kind of immediately need to fix that. People feel really terrible.
So this is the HydraSmart app. And we built it on the Dart programming language in the Flutter framework, which allows us to create both an Android and iOS device app from the same code base. Not only can I see my front page, importantly, when I go to settings, I can edit all this data and also click this button to go ahead and connect to my sensor. So we have a tree here. And the importantness of this tree is this tree grows and grows even more as you get more and more water throughout the day, showing and gamifying the idea that you're really watering a plant every single day. Now it's time to see the app in action. And of course, the important part of the pocket means I can fit this kind of water bottle, but I can also fit this kind of water bottle. It fits everything and allows me to adapt to whatever I like to use. And because of our product, CIP has offered us pro bono work and assistance in filing our provisional patent already.
Now let's look at our algorithm. We first pull information from devices you already own, and then pull more information from apps like Weather app and Health app to gain an understanding of what's going on in your surroundings and day-to-day life. We then 3-day baseline all of your information to get an understanding of who you are and what you're doing. We realize that drinking shouldn't be hard, but getting it right, that's what matters. We're HydraSmart. Thanks for listening.